Street fights don't last long. They explode, and they end fast. The people who survive aren't the strongest. They're the ones who know exactly where to strike. These 7 forbidden moves target the body's instant shutdown points, giving you the power to end a fight in under 3 seconds and escape before the danger escalates. Let's be brutally honest. When you're cornered, the rules of the dojo disappear. We're talking about forbidden moves. Why are they forbidden? They're banned from sport. The UFC, BJJ, Olympic Taekwondo. Because they are designed not to score points, but to incapacitate and maim. But the street isn't a sport. A 2025 Krav Maga study highlights that 85% of assaults are sudden, close-quarters ambushes, and over in under 30 seconds. That means your first reaction is the fight. We're not talking about fighting in the traditional sense. We're talking about a violent, explosive shutdown of a threat. How do these moves level the playing field? They are the great equalizer. They bypass an attacker's strength, size, and skill. They don't care if the attacker is a 300-pound gorilla. Everyone's eyes, throat, and groin are vulnerable. This isn't about honor, it's about survival. Forbidden Move 1, the eye rake. This is the ultimate equalizer, pure and primal. Your goal isn't a polite poke, but a vicious rake or gouge, using your fingers like claws. Why? The eyes are a direct access neurological target. They're soft tissue, packed with nerves, and an involuntary, debilitating flinch, the corneal reflex, is guaranteed. Even a glancing strike causes immediate blinding pain. The attacker's head will snap back, their eyes will water profusely, and their brain will be momentarily scrambled, unable to process anything but the new, overwhelming pain. It doesn't require strength, just commitment. Think of a 2024 news report of a woman escaping an attacker in a parking garage. This is often the move. It's not pretty, but it's brutally effective. Forbidden Move 2, the groin strike. Yes, it's the move everyone jokes about, but its effectiveness is no laughing matter. For a male attacker, the testicles are external, unprotected, and loaded with nociceptors, pain receptors. A hard strike here doesn't just hurt. It sends a crippling, systemic shockwave of nausea, paralysis, and vomiting through the entire body. It's a neurological shutdown. For women, a hard strike to the pubic bone is just as shocking and painful. The key isn't a sloppy, telegraphed kick. In a 3-second fight, it's a snapping motion, a fast, piston-like front kick with your foot, a brutal knee strike in a clinch, or even a grabbing rip-and-tear motion. This move doesn't just cause pain, it shuts down the body's ability to continue the attack. Forbidden Move 3. The throat strike. We are entering extremely dangerous territory. This move is forbidden because it is potentially lethal. Your target is the trachea, the windpipe. A direct, hard strike here can crush it, closing the airway and leading to suffocation. Even a moderate strike can induce a violent gag reflex, panic, and an inability to breathe. The tools are the spear hand, 4 fingers extended, rigid and tight, or a karate chop, the ridge of the hand, or shuto. This isn't a push, it's a percussive strike aimed at a 1-inch target. The goal is to disrupt breathing instantly, making the attacker panic about air, not you. This move is an absolute last resort, to be used only when you are in fear for your life. Forbidden Move 4. The eardrum clap. This one is all about overwhelming shock and disorientation. You don't slap the face. You use 2 cupped hands to strike both ears simultaneously. The goal is to create a pocket of compressed air that forces its way into the ear canal, striking the eardrums like a tiny explosion. This can rupture the eardrum, which is painful, but more importantly, it violently disrupts the attacker's vestibular system, the delicate fluid-filled canals that control balance. They will be instantly dizzy, disoriented, seeing stars, and may even fall to the ground. It's a percussive blast, a thunderclap to their equilibrium, giving you a perfect window to flee. Forbidden Move 5. Small joint manipulation. Why fight a 200-pound man when you can fight his 5-pound finger? This is the essence of small joint manipulation, a favorite in systems like Hapkido, and a core part of many forbidden techniques. If someone grabs your shirt, don't try to pull away from their bicep. Grab one of their fingers, the pinky or thumb, and bend it back against the way it's designed to go. The pain is exquisite, immediate, and breaks their focus. The same goes for the wrist. A simple gooseneck, bending the hand down towards the forearm, can bring a 300-pound man to his knees. It's pure leverage. This is how you level the playing field against a grab, using their own body against them. Forbidden move 6, the oblique kick. You see this in modern MMA, and it's often considered dirty. In the street, it's a fight stopper. The target is the side of the knee or just above it, on the thigh. Unlike a roundhouse, this is a straight, stomping, or snapping kick, often with the heel. Your goal is to hyperextend the knee sideways. The knee is a hinge joint, like a door hinge. It's not designed to bend that way. The ligaments, like the LCL or ACL, or dislocate the joint, instantly destroying the attacker's mobility and structural integrity. They simply cannot chase you if they cannot stand. This is a brutal, efficient way to end the pursuit before it begins. Forbidden move. 7, the headbutt, skull to face. Here's the most forbidden truth. These moves are your absolute last resort. Using them carries immense legal and moral weight. A 2025 study on self-defense law found that your actions must be reasonable and proportional to the threat. If you use a throat strike on someone who just pushed you, you might be the one going to jail for aggravated assault. The true warrior's discipline isn't in combat, it's in avoidance and de-escalation. Your first move should always be to use your words, create distance, or just run. These 7 techniques are for when those have failed and you genuinely fear for your life or grievous bodily harm. Your mindset must be defense, not punishment. Let's tie this all together. You don't use these 7 moves to win the fight. You use one of them to end the assault so you can escape. The 3-second goal isn't victory, it's survival. The fight is won the moment you get home safe. These techniques, the eye rake, the groin strike, the oblique kick, are tools. They are keys to unlock a door. They create a window of opportunity by momentarily shutting down the attacker's body, a broken knee, or brain, a shot to the eyes. Your job isn't to follow up with a combo. Your job is to run through that window and not look back. That is the true discipline of self-defense. These techniques are dangerous. Train them safely, or better yet, avoid the fight entirely. What's your go-to escape strategy? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more real-world self-defense.